Welcome, in front of me Xiaomi Mi Smart Air Fryer, and now I'm gonna show you how to turn on or how to turn off notification about turning on or just shaking the food inside. So firstly, you need to find and open the Mi Home application. Then choose here your Mi Smart Air Fryer. Then click on the three dots button in the right top corner of your screen. Then click Device Settings. And in Device Settings, here you'll see reminder to turn over, shake the food. Enable this feature or disable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.